What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing a technical analysis on plug stock. Let me give you some information for those of you who don't familiar with the plug power. Plug power provides alternative energy technology, which focuses on the design, development, commercialization and manufacture of hydrogen and fuel cell systems used primarily for the material handling and stationary power markets. Its fuel cell system solution is designed to replace lead-acid batteries in electric material handling vehicles and industrial trucks for some distribution and manufacturing businesses. Well, it is a great company. It's very big company with a total market cap of $26.86 billion. As you can see here, this move is has a parabolic shape. This means that you have to be extremely cautious. Let me show you 1 month chart. So, as you can see, here is the clear parabolic movement. And as you can see here, the same pattern, but in RSI indicator you can see extremely overbought region of 97.72, and there is no room to go to the upside. This means it is not the best point to invest in this company, because eventually it will retrace to some levels. Let me show you some potential levels on a greater scale. So we might land at 0.382 region. It is one of the most probable levels, even on 0.5 level with the $37.59 per share. And this means it will go down of around, wait a second, 42%. So, okay, let me show you the weekly chart. Here we have almost exactly the same pattern. RSI is extremely overbought, its level of 88.23, and we have something like carving on a MACD indicator. Let me show you the daily chart. Yes, on a daily we are losing momentum, as this indicator shows us, and we are right on the border between overbought region and neutral region on RSI. So theoretically we have some room to go to the upside at this point, and if I'm right, we are hovering at this zone. Wait a second. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. Yes, on 4-hour chart we are starting to gain momentum, as you can see here, and we are hovering right between these two levels, this one and this one. So let me show you the retracement of this wave. Well, we hit exactly to the tick 0.382 level, as you can see here. Let me be more precise. Yes, we hit exactly 0.382 level, and it's very bullish level, because we've bounced up for around, wait a second, almost 20%. And in my opinion, if you want to trade this stock, you can accumulate at this zone. So let me show you this, somewhere like this. I don't know where would be your entry point, and it might be all around this region between two resistances and supports and resistances. Let's pretend that you have entry point of $63.12, and for now let me measure the potential target point. So, assuming that this is the third wave, on the fifth wave we can hit target zone roughly 786 region, 0.786 region, and this will be around $91 with the potential profit of 45%, and with potential loss of 9%, with risk to reward ratio around 5 to 1. Well, it's a rather good setup, but it is very risky because of, as I already showed you before, because of this chart. We can go even lower on according to this indicator, according to RSI, but at this case you have your stop loss, and in worst case scenario you lose only 10%. By the way, don't try to go all in on one stock. Never do like this. Only 10% of your entire account should be in one play. In this case, if you lose around 10%, you will lose only 1% of your account. In this case, you're not only protecting your account by making a stop loss orders, but you are continuously profitable because of these gains and risk to reward ratio. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like my video. See you next time. Bye.